After years of secrecy, the Pentagon has started releasing fresh files related to UFOs, or also we can call it UAPs. And suddenly, America is once again obsessed with what may exist in the skies. Ladies and gentlemen, the US Department of Defense says previous administrations often discouraged public discussion around unexplained aerial incidents. But under what the administration calls maximum transparency approach, agencies like NASA, the FBI, and the Department of Energy and Intelligence offices, they are now participating in releasing new material. And immediately, social media exploded. Alien theory, secret military programs, hidden technologies, government cover-ups, every theory imaginable returns to the mainstream internet. But experts, they are flipping. They are arguing question here. Analysts say that many UAP incidents, they may involve misunderstood military system, radar distortion, or advanced classified aircraft rather than any other life that exists. Earlier, Pentagon Review also rejected all the claims that the US government had recovered an alien airspace. So, still, the fascination remains very powerful here, and perhaps the fascination tells us something about modern society itself. People are living through an era of enormous uncertainty. Wars, AI disruption, economic instability, political polarization, and rapid technological change. In uncertain times, mysterious stories gain a kind of emotional power because they reflect a deeper feeling that the world itself is becoming harder to understand. And that may be why this UFO debate, it suddenly feels bigger than entertainment. It feels symbolic of a world where every reality itself seems increasingly unpredictable. So that's a wrap up of our tonight's 8th story. They all may look very different on surface. Immigration, layoff, fraud, in fact, identity, politics, UFO files, but underneath, they are all connected to one deeper reality. America is changing rapidly, economically, politically, technologically, socially. For Indians abroad, this transformation brings both opportunity and risk. More influence, more success, but also more scrutiny, more competition, and more uncertainty. The old version of American dream, it is evolving into something far more unpredictable now. Now coming back to Indian diaspora, let's talk about the story that is showing how immigration enforcement in America is entering a new phase entirely. Ladies and gentlemen, the US government is now trying to revoke the citizenship of Indian origin man. His name is Devashish Ghosh over allegations that are connected to $2.5 million fraud case. According to the Department of Justice, Ghosh allegedly conspired to defraud investors linked to the construction of an aircraft maintenance facility before becoming a naturalized American citizen. Here, authorities claim that during his 2012 naturalization process, he kind of falsely stated that he had never committed any crime for which he had been arrested. Now, prosecutors argue that his citizenship itself was obtained through concealment and misrepresentation. Wait, this is a very serious legal escalation, by the way, because denaturalization cases, they are historically rare in America. Citizenship has traditionally been viewed as one of the most secure legal status once granted. But if we see it politically, the atmosphere, it has completely changed after Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump era's immigration enforcement increasingly focuses not only on illegal border crossing but also on visa fraud, citizenship review, and retroactive scrutiny of immigration histories. In fact, Acting Attorney General Todd, he framed these actions as correcting the violation of immigration system. That language, it reveals something important here. Immigration enforcement is becoming more aggressive, more symbolic, and more politically visible here. Now, for many immigrant communities, this creates a new type of anxiety. While the idea that even citizenship record can later face review changes the whole perception of permanency and citizenship. And once again, public trust becomes central. The government argues that such cases protect the integrity of the immigration system. Now here, critics worry about growing fear and politicization. Either way, the message from Washington, that is unmistakable, scrutiny is now definitely intensifying. And finally, tonight, one of the strangest and most fascinating stories unfolding in America today. After years of secrecy, the Pentagon has started releasing fresh files related to UFOs, or also we can call it UAPs. And suddenly, America is once again obsessed with what may exist in the skies. Ladies and gentlemen, the US Department of Defense says previous administrations often discouraged public discussion around unexplained aerial incidents. But under what the administration calls maximum transparency approach, agencies like NASA, the FBI, and the Department of Energy and Intelligence offices, they are now participating in releasing new material. And immediately, social media exploded. Alien theory, secret military programs, hidden technologies, government cover-ups, every theory imaginable returns to the mainstream internet.